How to make a magic ring. Before we start, grab a light-colored medium-weight yarn and a hook to match. Worsted weight with a 5mm hook is a great place to begin. The lighter the color, the easier it is to see your stitches as you go. First, bring the yarn to your hand, leaving a tail of about 10 centimeters. Wrap the yarn around your middle finger once. You'll see an X shape form on your finger. Use your thumb and middle finger to press down firmly on that crossover point. Now insert your crochet hook close to your finger, going in from the right-hand strand of yarn. Yarn over, and with 2 loops now on your hook, pull the first loop through the second. With 1 loop remaining on the hook, yarn over once more and pull through. Use your finger and hook together to pull it snug, but not too tight. You want it firm, not strangling the yarn, or it should look like a neat little knot at this point. Single crochets into the ring. You'll notice 2 strands sitting on your middle finger and 1 loop on the hook. Bring the tip of your hook back toward the tip of your finger, pass it under both strands at the same time, yarn over, and pull through. You now have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over again to get 3 loops on the hook, then pull the leftmost loop through the other 2. That's your first single crochet in the magic ring. To count your stitches, look for a V shape. 1 strand on each side forming a V is 1 complete stitch. Clip a stitch marker through that first V to keep track of where your round began. Completing the ring, 6 single crochets. Total. Repeat the same steps for each stitch. Hook to fingertip under both strands, yarn over, pull through, yarn over. Pull through 2 loops. Keep going until you have 6 V-shapes. That's your 6 single crochets. Once all 6 are done, gently loosen the loop on your hook, set it aside, and place a stitch marker on your last stitch. Closing up, take the yarn off your finger. You'll see 2 ends. The long strand connects to your yarn ball, and the short tail is where you started. Pull the short tail to draw the ring closed and tighten everything up. Pass the tail to the back of your work. Then insert your hook into the largest remaining hole and pull snug. And finally, insert your hook into the first stitch, the one with your orange stitch marker. Insert your hook, remove the marker. You'll have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through. You have 2 stitches. On your hook now, pull through the left stitch into the right one, and that's your magic ring. From here, you can join your round with a slip stitch and continue straight into your pattern. You're all set.